Be your own boss. Totoo po ito, friends. Bakit? Kasi pag business owner tayo, automatic po yan, friends. You are the CEO or ikaw yung boss. Opo, friends. Kasi po, small business tayo, may employees ka, ikaw yung nagplano, nag-organize, nag-implement sa mga goals mo. Unlike if employees tayo or employee, matagal po tayo magiging boss, right? Kasi may competition, may qualification, and the like, bago tayo maging boss. But if may sarili kang negosyo, small business, automatic po yan. Boss po tayo. But ensure po na you are a good boss. So, kailangan leader ka at manager. Alright? Points to ponder. Friends, 2 thumbs up.